Shaitanir Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students, today inshallah we will discuss the refraction of light. So what is a refraction of light? If a ray of light meets a new material at an angle, it bends. This bending is what's called a refraction of light. And the ray of light that is entered into the new material, that is what's called the incident ray. The bending ray of light is what's called a reflected ray. So in this diagram, you can see here that the ray that is coming from the air, this is what's called the incident ray, and it is striking the surface with a certain angle, that is what's called angle of incidence. It enters a glass, another material that is denser to the air, means more mass per unit volume there. So that is what's called a denser material, and that is what's called a glass as compared to air. Glass is a denser one, so it bends from its path and it bends towards the normal. This is what's called a refraction of light. From this diagram, things will be quite so easily explained. Look at here, this is air, this is glass. Air is rare and glass is a denser medium. When the ray of light is coming from the rare material like air, it will strike the surface with an angle I, that is so called angle of incidence. It changes its path and it is bending towards the normal, and it will make an angle of R, that is angle of refraction with the normal. So this is what's so called a refraction. Refraction in different materials. So when a ray of light enters a material at an angle, it changes its direction. We all know that when a ray of light is coming from a rare medium and it enters a denser medium, it changes its direction. So different materials behaves differently. Like a glass is quite different from that of a diamond, because glass is less denser than that of a diamond. So if a ray of light is coming from air and it enters a glass, it will make an angle of 35 degrees with the normal. But if a ray of light is coming from an air and it makes an angle of 60 degree, at an angle of 60 degree, it will strike with the surface, it will bends with the normal, and it will makes 20 degree with the normal. Look at here in this picture, like look at here in this picture. In this picture, you can see here that the ray of light is coming from the source. It is striking with the surface of a denser material with an angle I, and it is refracting to the normal. Okay, it is bending from its path, it is refracting to the normal, and it will striking the other edge or other side of the glass, and it is moving back to the same path. You can see here that both these parts are quite same.